So today we are checking on the eggs, or they actually might be chicks now. But yeah, you have to be kind of quiet. The mom, oh, there's the mom. And we found out some names for them too. Guys, they hatched. They hatched. I can't even get up though. They hatched. They hatched. I'm not sure how much. Okay, we got a stool. So hornet right there. Where'd she go? She's over there. Oh, she's watching us. There they are. There are 3 babies. 3. Look at them. She's right there. Okay guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. Hopefully this family goes better than the last. And it is going to be it's going to be good days this whole week, I'm pretty sure. At least today it is going to be a good day. So yes, I will keep you guys updated. In like 2 days I will post another video about them. Bye.